In this video, I will show you how to write the equation of a line given a variety of information. So line K is parallel to the line graphed here. Parallel. As soon as I see the word parallel, I think, okay, that means that there will be the same slope. All right, parallel lines have the same slope. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, line K goes through this point. Find the equation of line K. Well, since parallel lines have the same slope, we can use this line to find the slope. So slope is rise over run. So as I pick a couple of points that are on the graph, I see I'm going down 1, right 2. That's -1, +2. That's my slope, rise over run. All right, so the slope is -1/2. Next, I need to find the y-intercept. So for the y-intercept, I know that y equals mx plus b. All right, that's the slope-intercept form. I can use the 10 and the -2 as an x and a y. So I will have -2 is equal to -1/2 times 10 plus b. That's going to give me -2 equals, half of 10 is 5. So this will be -5 plus b. And then if we add 5 to both sides, that gives me 3. So b is equal to 3. So now I have the slope and I have the y-intercept. So the equation will be y equals -1/2 x plus 3, where I simply substitute the m and the b right here and right here. Okay, now, when I saw the word parallel, I immediately thought same slope. What do I think when I see the word perpendicular? All right, when I see the perpendicular, I think, okay, the slope will be opposite and reciprocal. All right, slope is opposite and reciprocal. All right, it's opposite and reciprocal. So I can see that the slope of this line is 4/3. But line L is perpendicular to this. By the way, the -11, irrelevant. You should scribble that out so you're not tempted to put it in your answer. All right, only the slope matters. So what does opposite and reciprocal mean? So the slope is going to be, well, the reciprocal of 4/3 is 3/4. And opposite means opposite in sign. So since this is positive, I'm going to put negative. If this had been negative, I would have put positive. All right, so boom, there's the slope. Now let's go ahead and find the y-intercept. All right, so again, I'm thinking about y equals mx plus b. And I have my x and my y. So I'm going to do 7 is equal to -3/4 times -12, because that's x, plus b. All right, now a negative times a negative is a positive. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9, so this is going to be a +9. Now if I lost anybody, then you can use a calculator. So we have -3/4 times -12. All right, so you can do it that way if you didn't follow what I said. Either way, you're going to get +9, and then we subtract 9 from both sides, and that's going to make -2. So now we have the slope and the y-intercept. So we can go ahead and write the equation y equals 3/4 x minus 2. I guess I don't need to put a box around it because it's already on the line. I got carried away. Write the equation of the line graphed here. No work needs to be shown. Well, of course it doesn't. Vertical lines always have the equation x equals something, right? X equals a number. And this vertical line is at 3. So the equation will simply be x equals 3. If this had been a horizontal line, for example, then it would be y equals 3. But it wasn't. Whoa, too far. All right. In the next video, we'll talk about the equation of a circle.